Testing, testing. Testing, testing. We've been talking about affordable audio. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. And I'm D. This is D1TV. So today, another unboxing. We've been doing a lot of unboxing. We've been talking about affordable audio. So that's what I'm really working on these past few weeks, these past few videos, is affordable audio. So if you check this link here, you will see the unboxing of this lapel mic that we're using today. It's the solid interview mic set. It's a dual mic designed for an interview, of course. So you have two people mic'd up. So that's what we're using today. Hope the audio sounds good. You can check it out. Again, that link that I showed you a second ago, you can look at that unboxing. You will see that it costs $20.99. And if you like how this sounds, go and pick that up. So again, today, this is what we're looking at. Another affordable option. And it's by Fifine. It's a wireless microphone. Fifine technology is what we're unboxing today. It's the wireless microphone set. This is your wireless option, and let's just have a look inside. Now we got it unboxed, laid out on the table. You're gonna get your lapel mic. And included with your lapel mic, you're gonna get your 3-pin female adapter. You're gonna get your ear hook along with the comfortable cushion. And you get your antenna, your indicator. And there's a different type of adapters depending on if you're using the cell phone or the camera. So this actually looks pretty cool. And of course, you're gonna get your box of instructions. And this is by Fifine Technology, K037B. And that's the user's manual. A person like myself is going to need it. So yeah, this is all that comes in the package. Of course, I'll leave the price up there and you get to see how much it costs. It feels, it's a little plasticky. I'm interested in trying this on, but I don't know who would walk around with this unless you're landing the jet. I had it on upside down. Thanks for laughing at me. I probably never use this, honestly, but I will be using this wireless lapel mic. See how it sounds. Matter of fact, let's hook this up right now. Bear with me. All right, so I couldn't resist. I hooked everything up. Here's your transmitter. Here's your transmitter. It's a little, like I said, it's an affordable option. So you would hook this into your back pocket. This is also what the headsets sound like. Transmitter's a bit cumbersome. All right, let's get back to the review. So now I've switched over to this wireless mic system that I purchased. I will leave the information here on how much it costs and stuff like that. So hopefully you can hear how it sounds. I see the levels, they're jumping, and we'll both get to hear how it sounds. If either one of these are an affordable option, something you can afford and it sounds good and you like it, why not buy it? Here, I'm gonna go in the other room. You guys don't go anywhere, see how it sounds. Hey guys, you're live and direct on YouTube. I'm in the other room testing the audio. Ew, ew. Why is she ewing me? Oh, okay. All right, well, that's it, guys. That was the unboxing along with the audio test of the new, or my new, Fifine wireless headset. Well, if you like it, pick it up, buy you one. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with me. I hope this helped you guys out. If this is something you're gonna buy, you're gonna pick up, leave it in the comments. Please subscribe. I have more affordable audio options coming up for you guys. Thanks. Appreciate you. Like we always say, get out there, live, love, and enjoy life before it's over. Peace out. I'll see you on the next video.